All right, y'all, back with another classic 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible. This thing is beautiful, so stay tuned. Take you all around her, get her on the test drive, and get her up on the rack. Let's get into it. So like I said, we got a 67 DeVille Convertible. I love this color. I think it's beautiful. It's I'm gonna call it maroon, but when you get it out in the sun, it's almost got like a purple hue to it, but it's beautiful. You can see all the metallic flakes in it as well. Like I said, it's really cool how it switches based on, you know, the lighting. We do have it sitting on a set of 22-inch chrome and golds. Moving down the body, obviously the paint is fresh, so the body's gonna be in pretty good shape. We got all the trim intact where it's supposed to be. Skirts intact, and they also fit without rubbing with wheels. Looking down the passenger side, no crazy waves or dents that need to be pointed out. Checking out the trunk, the gaps look pretty good. No crazy dents here either. Try and get you guys a little close up of that paint. Rear bumper is pretty solid. Chrome looks good. I don't see any dents. I don't see any waving. I also don't see any like pitting or peeling from the chrome either. So it looks pretty solid. Looking down the driver's side, more of the same. Nothing big to point out. Trim is nice and straight. Front windshield solid, no cracks, no rock chips, nothing to point out there. And all the trim is intact around the windshield as well. Wheel trim intact, as you see. Hood looks good as well. The gaps look solid. Of course, the car has been freshly painted, so wouldn't see anything if it's been rubbing, but I don't see anything right now. Trim around the headlights clean as well, and front bumper, no pitting, no rust on there as well. So let me actually let me just pop the hood while I'm here, and then I'll grab the keys. Underneath is super clean. You can tell that it's been painted as well. Not clear coated, but looks nice and clean. It is. We do have AC, power brakes, power steering. It's a 429 car. Very, very clean underneath. No rust to point out. Everything looks solid. One thing I do think that's kind of cool, because you probably won't see it later on in the video. Remember, this is a 1967 car, and this is something that I learned myself. That little device right there, it's the automatic headlight switch. So I really don't have a good way. Actually, let me see if I can. Let me see. I don't know if it's gonna work right now. Yeah, I don't think I have a way to make it work with all the lights on in here. But it's an automatic dimming headlight switch. So it's pretty cool. This little, like I said, once it picks up some light, obviously it'll move the little sensor and it will dim the lights for like oncoming traffic for like your high beams and that. Super cool to see it work in action. And we actually figured it out. Well, my service manager playing with the lights, and he couldn't figure out why the brights weren't coming on, and it's because it was some light beaming directly into that that little sensor. So super cool, especially when you consider, you know, it's like 60-year-old technology. So pretty fresh. Go ahead and open the trunk, see if we get it right on the first try, since we got like 9 keys on here. There we go. Trunk is nice and clean. You got the original hubcap sitting there, and it has been carpeted, so it's very, very nice, clean, all fresh. And of course, underneath has been painted as well. So let's check out the interior. Interior is nice too, matches the outside with the maroon colorway. It's been freshened up. I think the seats have been dyed, but not 100% sure. But looking at the rear seats, no rips, no tears, no stains. Very nice. Door panels, same exact condition. You can see the lights work. We do have power windows. All of those work. And the convertible top works. It's black. You'll see that later on in the video. Driver door panel, excellent shape, no rips, no tears to point out. Dash, excellent condition, no cracks, no warping. Thing looks nice and clean, and carpet's in excellent condition as well. No mattes in here. Probably hard finding some that match the color exactly and didn't want to do black, but still clean. Driver seat's in pretty good condition, no rips, no tears. You do have a couple little wear pattern marks in here, but again, you barely notice them. And passenger side. Seats in good condition again. Yeah, it looks like this has been patched, which again, it blends in with the color, but just want to make sure I point that out. And passenger door panel, no warping or pulling off, looks clean. And as you can see, both your little emergency lights on too as well. So stay tuned. We'll get started on the test drive on the DeVille. Let's go ahead and fire her up. As you see, she fires right up. I can hear the turn signals, but I am not seeing them. And I'm not seeing them, let me see. Yeah, I'm not seeing them on the little markers on the hood either, so. No horn. We know the top works, don't have to worry about that. Lights work, I can see them reflecting off the cars up here. We'll see them later on in the video as well. Let's see. No radio. Weird, I see it lit up, but I can't get it to change, so. Yeah, I don't hear anything. Windows work. Alright, mileage reads 74,154. Let's go ahead. Motor sounds nice and smooth. Exhaust sounds good. As soon as I put her in the gear, she's ready to go. Got the 22s on here. There wasn't any rubbing when I drove it earlier. We'll check it again just to be on the safe side. Steering is solid, hands off the wheel, she's tracking straight. Brakes are good. Hands off, she's not pulling, she's heading straight. Zero issues there. Stay back from this truck just in case they drop a couple rocks or something. Speedometer is working, got me doing about 20, which is accurate. Oh, I didn't check the wipers are solid. Ride is smooth, no major issues. I don't hear any cracking or anything. Obviously, I'm going slow so I can stay back from this truck, but I give it a little bit of gas. Hopefully, he's not turning right. Brakes are good, you don't hear any squeaking or anything. Pedal is well modulated, it's not extra stiff, not extra soft. I'm nowhere near to the floor or anything like that. Go ahead and get out here. Motor has plenty of power, nice and smooth. Shifts are smooth. Speedometer, I'm up to about 40 now, no issues. She definitely floats, no problem at all. It's a big girl, and as you can see, it's a beautiful day to have the top down. Yeah, really don't have anything else to say. I don't have any issues. Couple bumps I hit, I wasn't bouncing all over the road. I wasn't bouncing in the seat. plenty of thumbs up, as you already see by drivers going by. It's just a beautiful, beautiful color combination in a classic Cadillac. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and get it on the DeVille up on the rack. Rear bumper looks nice and solid. All the chrome looks good. Paint is good underneath. Frame and everything obviously has been coated at some time, but it looks nice and straight. I don't see any light patchwork or anything like that. We do have a new gas tank, so that's pretty nice. All stock suspension, it looks, coming through. Again, everything's been coated, so it looks pretty clean under here. Looks like stock exhaust. Again, even though the floors have been coated, I'm not seeing like any patchwork or anything pointed out. No soft spots, and the frame looks nice and straight on both sides. So very, very clean underneath. No signs of any leaks from the oil or trans pan. Just came off the test drive. Again, everything looks stock underneath. Nice and clean, and it looks like they just went through it before undercoating it. So beautiful underneath, just needs to be cleaned. Front bumper looks solid. No cracks, no dents, no pitting of any kind. Coming along the side, obviously we got the 22s all the way around, so new tires. Wheels are clean. Underneath, paint and body looks solid. Nothing to really point out. Skirts look solid. No rust bubbles or anything there. The rear quarter panel as well. Coming down the driver's side, more of the same. I don't see any bubbling or waves that need to be pointed out. Got a couple runs in the paint right here, but like I said, body and the frame look perfectly straight. Alright, so if you're interested in this convertible DeVille, make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.